In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the F7 chord. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and I'm going to show you 4 different ways to play the F7 chord, also known as the F dominant 7th chord. So this chord is made up of 4 notes. You have the root, which is F, the 3rd, which is A, the 5th, which is C, and then the flat 7th, which is E flat. The first way I'm going to show you is probably the easiest way. We're just going to do a 4-string bar with the first finger. We're going to bar the 1st fret on strings 4 to 1, and then we're going to add our 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. All right, pretty simple. Remember with barring that you want to play more on this side of the finger as opposed to right there. The second way I'm going to show you is a full bar. So we're going to bar the whole entire 1st fret with our 1st finger. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string, and then 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. The third way I'm going to show you is in the 6th position. It's what's called in the Cage system the C shape. So what that means is if you already know your C chord, bring that up so your 1st finger's at the 6th fret or 6th position, and add your 4th finger to the 8th fret of the 3rd string. And you strum strings 5 to 2. Now if you don't know your C chord, that's fine, we'll piece it all together. So we're going to put our 1st finger on the 6th fret 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 7th fret 4th string, and 3rd finger on the 8th fret 5th string. And then we add our 4th finger to the 8th fret 3rd string, and we strum strings 5 to 2. And the 4th way I'm going to show you how to play this is in the 8th position. We're going to do a 5-string bar. So we're going to bar our 1st finger on the 8th fret from strings 5 to 1. And then we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 10th fret of the 4th string. And then our 4th finger on the 10th fret of the 2nd string. This would also be considered the A shape from the Cage system. Now, of course, there's many other ways to play this chord. These are the first 4 I would learn, and then eventually you can add more shapes later on. Also, a reminder, if you do want free chord charts, check out the link down below in the description. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next lesson.